Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about one of the most important topics for every gardener: how to feed your cucumbers to achieve maximum yield and how to protect them from diseases that can destroy them. Stay with us until the end of the video as we reveal the secret recipe that will give your cucumbers everything they need to be healthy, green, and full of fruit. But before we start, dear friends, subscribe to our channel because it is completely free. And it means more knowledge and more harvest for you. Thank you. Now let's go to the video. Cucumbers are among the most sensitive plants in the garden. They get sick easily, quickly wilt when there is a drought, and if they lack food, they simply stop producing. That is why proper feeding is the key weapon of every gardener. Now, pay attention. Here is what we will use and why. Milk not only nourishes the plant, but also protects against fungal diseases such as downy mildew and powdery mildew. It is a natural antiseptic and strengthens the immunity of the leaves. Water allows the solubility of all ingredients and helps nutrients reach the roots quickly. It is best to use settled or rainwater. Dry yeast. This is a real balm for fertility. It is rich in B vitamins, amino acids, and microorganisms that restore the soil microflora and stimulate the development of flowers. Sounds simple, right? And that is exactly what plants love: clean, natural, and balanced nutrition. Write to me below in the comments, have you ever used yeast in the garden? And how often do you feed your cucumbers? And now we come to the recipe. Take 1 liter of milk, 4 liters of water, and 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Mix everything well and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then water the cucumbers in the root zone or spray the leaves, but best in the morning or early evening, never in bright sunlight. This mixture will not only enhance flowering, but also protect plants from many diseases. Already after a few days, you will notice stronger, dark green leaves and more abundant fruit formation. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share with your garden-loving friends. Your cucumbers will thank you. And in the fruits.